This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9. The SCHF9 sports a durable, fine-edge fixed blade that is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. A favorite of survivalists and bushcrafters for its strength and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge. The blade is a 1/4 inch thick, coated with wear and water-resistant PTFE. Boasting a full tang running the entire length of the knife, it ends in a lanyard hole at the base of the handle, making the SCHF9 a stout and trustworthy blade you can depend on in the field. The knife is carried in a ballistic nylon sheath and is secured with an adjustable strap and snap system. On the front, there's a handy removable pouch for everyday carry survival gear, and a lanyard for use as emergency cordage or to lash the sheath bottom to your thigh. Carry options include a hook and loop flap system that allows you to wear the sheath without removing your belt, and MOLLE-compatible straps for attaching it to gear. The thick rubberized TPE handle grip makes the SCHF9 comfortable to use for extended periods and in poor weather conditions. The drop point blade design forms an extra strong tip for piercing, poking, and fine cutting. The sharp contoured edge is crafted to maximize every chop and cut, and the exposed tang at the base of the handle makes a tough tool for pounding and crushing. Designed for reliable everyday performance, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9.
My knife isn't just a knife. It's a commanding, high-precision, lightweight EDC. A fast-opening folder with a cutting-edge stainless steel semi-serrated blade designed to cut through harder materials faster. The skeleton-style G10 glass-reinforced handle has curves in all the right places, giving me a safe and secure ergonomic feel, like it was custom-made to fit my grip. Clip it to my belt or drop it in my pocket. My knife is like a friend who's ready for anything. And when it's go time, it snaps open with the flick of my thumb and locks up for business. That means there's no spring assist. So my knife's legal in any state, and I never have to worry about it failing me. It's a tactical and practical solution that puts me in control. My knife isn't just a knife, it's what a knife should be, an extension of my hand that can bear almost anything.
The Morakniv Bushcraft Survival Black is a heavy-duty knife with multifunctional features. The spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the fire starter that is integrated in the sheath. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of carbon steel and has a DLC coating that makes the knife resistant to corrosion. Keep your knife sharp with a diamond sharpener that is attached to the sheath.